If you have older parents and you need to take care of them, but you don't want to live with them, how do you do it? Hi, my name is Edmund.
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Cindy.
We're the attorneys here at Amity Law Group. As a law firm, we're known for helping families protect their assets with living trusts and estate plans. So today we wanted to introduce you to a new law that could affect homeowners who want to build a separate dwelling unit for their aging parents. So Cindy, what is this new law?
So AB 68 was just signed and is now effective as of January 1st, 2020. AB 68 addresses accessory dwelling units. And what are those? Those are, essentially add-ons to your current residence. And in the past, homeowners, in order for them to get this type of permit, it would take a really long time because every city had its own set of rules for people to follow. It was unclear. It took, again, a lot of time depending on the city's backlog, and there was significant backlog, especially because of the significant rise in rent. So a lot of people were trying to figure out, how do we do this? How do we live together and be able to do this without all the pain and hassle that had been crippling homeowners in prior years.
Yeah, so this bill basically allows homeowners and individuals who are interested in this process to make it more efficient. And then they created certain guidelines so that cities would have to respond a lot faster in your applications. And so it is a good option now, is if you do want to maybe have an add-on to your current residence or a property that you own, then this would be the time to do it.
Exactly, because you don't know when this bill is going to go away or if they change it. So this is the time to do it, and adding an ADU to your property will allow your property value to also go up.
Yeah, and then I think we referenced this segment as, how do you take care of your aging parents without actually having to really live with them? So the ADU actually will allow them to have a separate entrance to the property, so you'll have some sort of privacy still be maybe under the same roof, but at least you and your family, maybe you have one side of the house, they have a separate side with a separate entrance. It's a good solution, I think, for a lot of people who maybe have aging parents. You want them close by in case something does happen, but you also do have the concern and of your own privacy and making sure that your family is taken care of without having too much intrusion into your life.
And if you're thinking about do I need to move because I don't have enough space for my parents in my own house, if you have a big enough backyard now, you can build an ADU for them to live in. So it's a win-win for everyone. It expedites the process so much, and it makes it so much easier for you to take care of your parents or to do whatever else you want with the ADU unit.
Yeah.
All right. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions about estate planning, living trusts, protecting your house from probate, give us a call. We offer free consultations. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.